In mid-60s America, nothing smashed more conventions or had a better time doing it than Yamaha's line of motorcycles, igniting a revolution that changed the industry. As Yamaha's popularity soared, one man, Leo Lake, was hard at work developing these machines to set new standards for durability and dependability. After thousands of hours of testing, in the most grueling conditions, Yamalube was born, for both two-stroke and four-stroke applications. The first and only OEM motor oil to be designed and engineered from the ground up, in tandem with Yamaha engines themselves, now available around the world. And when Yamaha went racing, Yamalube came right along, delivering a level of performance and reliability that took home checkered flags too numerous to count. Just listen to what the racers have to say.
Reliability is one of the most important factors in whether we win or lose. A Yamalube blend is the secret weapon in my M1.
I have two Supercross titles, both on Yamaha equipment and Yamalube.
It's a great oil, best oil out there. Keep the motor running and keep me up front.
Yamalube's a great product. We've been using it ever since I've been riding for the Graves Yamaha team.
They've been a big supporter for the Star Racing Yamaha team. Think it's great performance and haven't had any problems with it ever.
Honestly, it's actually the stuff I've always used. No matter, I still use it. Just actually used it yesterday.
We can be confident every time we go to the shelf that the product that Yamalube supplies us is going to perform optimally.
The performance in a bottle. It's definitely all about the performance with Yamalube.
We are at the very top level of racing in the U.S. and we need the top performance product, and Yamalube gives us that.
I started nearly 40 years ago racing in the racing department using Yamalube two-stroke products around the late 70s. These products won many championships for Yamaha, and we transitioned into the new four-stroke products as well.
We started using Yamalube when it first came out, put it in a race bike and went racing and won 2 American championships with it.
It's good to have family, and a company that you can depend on.
Yamalube has been instrumental in my career. I've got 50-something superbike race wins with Yamalube oil in every one of those motorcycles. You can't do that if you have a high failure rate.
What's the best way to celebrate 50 years of excellence? How about Yamalube Advantage, the industry's first and only 20-year, 5,000-hour, 100,000-mile engine lubrication limited warranty. Just one more way Yamalube stands behind its products like none other. See your authorized Yamaha dealer for more.
Very happy birthday to Yamalube.
Happy birthday, 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 Yamalube. Thanks for all your help.
Happy birthday, Yamalube.
Happy birthday, Yamalube.
Happy 50th birthday.
Happy birthday, Yamalube.
Happy birthday, Yamalube.
Happy 50th anniversary, Yamalube.
Happy birthday, guys, and hope you guys are around for many, many more years.
Happy birthday, Yamalube. Love you guys.